In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coupon in Taobao. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find coupons, claim them, and make sure they're applied correctly at checkout so you actually see the savings. First, head to Taobao.com and log into your account. Being signed in is important because coupons are tied to your profile. If the site isn't in your preferred language, you can use your browser's built-in translator to make navigation easier, but all the buttons we'll mention are in the same spots. Before you can use a coupon, you need to collect it. You'll find coupons in a few places across Taobao, right on product pages, as store vouchers on a seller's storefront, in the Taobao Coupon Center, and during promotional sale events. On a product or store page, look for the coupon area near the price or under the store banner. When you see a coupon you want, tap Collect Coupon or Get Voucher. That adds it to your account so it can be used later. Keep an eye on details like minimum spend, validity dates, and item restrictions. Those determine whether the coupon will apply at checkout. Some coupons can be combined and some are single use, so it's worth checking the fine print before you move on. Next, pick the item you want to buy. Open the product page, choose the size, color, or other variations, and then select Add to Cart if you plan to keep shopping, or Buy Now if you're ready to pay. Selecting the correct variations is essential because a coupon might only work on specific versions of an item. When you're ready, open your cart and select the items you intend to purchase. Then tap Checkout. This takes you to the order summary where you can apply your savings. On the checkout screen, look for a section labeled Coupons, Vouchers, or Discount. Tap it to view the coupons you've already collected. Choose the best one for this order, and the discount will apply automatically. You'll usually see the price update right away. If multiple coupons are eligible, Taobao often shows you the best combination available, but you can still switch if you prefer a different one. Now review the discount to confirm the price actually dropped. If it didn't, double check the coupon's conditions, like minimum spend or item eligibility, and make sure only qualified items are selected. Once the total looks right, choose your payment method and complete the payment. That's it. You collected your coupons, added your items, applied the discount at checkout, and paid with the savings in place. Enjoy your deal and happy shopping.